Are you ready to embark an epic fat loss journey? Well, let's buckle up because I've got 9 habits that will make your fat cry like baby at a rom-com movie. Habit number 1. Say goodbye to your best friend, Mr. Ice Cream. I know it's heartbreaking, right? But trust me guys, this breakup will be worth it. Let's send him packing, huh? Habit number 2. Get your sweat on. But who said sweating can't be fun, huh? Dance like nobody's watching you, or try screaming your lungs out while jogging. Let's make it a workout party, huh? Habit number 3. Embrace the power of veggies like spinach, kale, broccoli. These superheroes will save your waistline. But remember, they won't be wearing capes. Habit number 4. Sleep like a sloth. Yes, you heard me right. Beauty sleep is not just for princesses. It's for all the fierce ladies and guys out there. So snooze your way to the slimmer you. Habit number 5. H2O is the way to go. Drinking water is not just for fish. It's all for all the sassy ladies and handsome guys. Hydration is the key to unlocking your fat burning potential. Habit number 6. Spice up your life. Chili, peppers, cayenne and all the things. Spice will actually rev up your metabolism like rockets. Get ready to feel the burn, guys. Habit number 7. Laugh it off. Laughter is the best medicine, especially when it comes to shedding those extra pounds, extra kilos. So find your favorite comedy show and laugh your way to slimmer you. And habit number 8. Channel your inner superhero. Wonder Woman, Captain Marvel, anybody you like. It doesn't matter who you choose. But what matters is that you unleash your inner strength and kick some fat. And finally, habit number 9. Believe in yourself. You are a fierce, unstoppable force, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to do. So let's crush those fat cells and like they are yesterday's fashion trends, guys. See you in the next video.